tech. I get Bill Gates money, nigga, every set. I put that on a lot of tech. I get Bill Gates money every fucking set. I put that on a lot of tech. While you trap God, man, my trap is something out here. They like them clothes and the food that you ate. Yeah. A nigga try to. So are you? J-E-A-L-O-U-S. She said you J-E-A-L-O-U-S. Listen, and I be sitting here just trying to make sure that she good and that she really take care of the T-Bed. You know them Care Bears, they really watch it when they's kids, so I just want to make sure every life she living like a kid. You know just how I do it, man. Ambitions is flooded, man. Sitting here just counting every dividends. Feeling, making it divide, but I don't really want to come to just divide. I just want to be the one, them clear them eyes. See them pain, baby girl, you know just how I do it there. I've been in this fucking world, it's really nothing that is no. I try to tell you when it comes to information, tell you truth. I can tell you something that can get you proof. You feel me though? I'm out here trying to tell you not no silly hoe, no silly souls, my dirty baby girl, just how we do it though. What's the dealio? You know I'm feeling like I'm coolio, the typest nigga that ever do it, baby. You know it, nicking in it for them kids. Baby girl, just remember this. Remember just our first kiss. If you really want to do, remember when I touched them hips. Remember when that body moved and I caught up on your neck and told you, baby girl, it's all cool. I'm sick and tired. She said you what? J-E-A-L-O-U-S. She said she's sick and tired of J-E-A-L-O-U-S. You already know it. Nigga, you jealous. You already know it. Nigga, you jealous. Listen. I'm moving on my own type of page. I didn't come up on, step on your shoes. They Nikes or they Jordan in that air. But fuck it, I'll be in the air. I'm never touching your shit, my nigga. Keep your shit clear. Man, I'm staying in my lane. You know just how I do it, dog. You kinda mad because I'm out here trying to take care of what? The one that birthed me up. The one that I was around. Like, damn, my nigga, dog. Why you just all up in my biz? I got this type of girl, my nigga. Man, she really gonna love. I'm over here like, fuck my nigga. All I really kept was trail. You was all up in the air just telling shit that wasn't real. I was over here like, fuck my nigga, you really tryna fuck. But what I love, my nigga, man, you J-E-A-L-O-U-S. J-E-A-L-O-U-S.
You want to take me on a date? You can take me on a date.
On the back.
How old are you?
Listen, I try to tell you something, baby girl. I be the man up in your world. And see, them other niggas kinda mad cause they really can't get that good toe curl. But listen, I was rocking with the curls. I remember I had that type of thing, but they were like, shit, them dreads kinda curl, but they only on twist. So I got the dress, just get the good curl. What? A breast, a curl. Something really got a breast, but wait, them type of other niggas really got that type of shit. But fuck that shit, I don't want that shit. You mad cause the nigga this is whack ass shit, and y'all wanna keep this little whack ass shit. But nigga, I'm about to turn it up on you, bitch. Now you understand, nigga, y'all some hating ass niggas. Oh, baby, you ain't gotta take your teeth off. Baby girl, you gotta play. Wait, you don't gotta play no guilty face. I try to tell you, baby girl, this is just a race. And if you really want a nigga, just to tell the pace. And I can tell you, baby girl, I'm at the rap race. I'm the one with the cheese, and they acting like they got the cheese, but they on freeze. You really got that shit on freeze. I ain't talking about shit, man, I gotta breeze. Look, but shit, this is something just for breeze. You talking like a nigga ain't coming this clean. You talking all musty shit that's unclean, but you talking talking like them niggas was the one that rock the same way. No, baby, they didn't wanna see the nigga in the gym. No, 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 no. I'm the only one that came out the gym so flawless and just smelling like a line. Now you know it's royalty. Na 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 na. So why you wanna sit there and play that guilty shit? And baby girl, I could tell you, just like this, honey, honey, and baby girl, you never gotta sit there and play guilty like yeah, I just go with the flow, baby girl, you already know. See, I'm 100%. Every fucking race, baby, what you want? I could be a white boy, I could be that Asian chef, come through with that masculine and coming with the big pipe like a black man. You know how I do it, baby girl, I'm right here, going off the flow when I'm doing that motion. She said, baby, can you just go in? I mean, puppy dick, that's what she want. And I said, shit, I'ma be on point. And she said, can you make it 12 for me to make it go a little faster like Twister? I said, when I speeded it up, you understand, but I keep when I play up the tempo, gotta make sure I come through and beat that up. And she said, man, now you got my feet on up.
I don't give a fuck who talk behind my back, cause the bitch knew better than to let me hear. Hands on my knees, shaking hands with my thigh shit. Hands on my knees, shaking hands with my thigh shit.
They wanna choose right now you wasting time. Girl, you are on my mind. I'm over deep in good. I'm digging for your gold. Girl, it's better than anything. All I want is love. And if you really wanna give me that wedding ring, I'll be that bridegroom girl. And when we slide in the back of the car, baby, you know I'm going home. Yeah. And when I love you and I kiss you all night, all you're fucking for her. Baby, this is better than everything. But if you wanna go and just exchange the pain, I'll be sitting here stuck in this pain. Filled with so much pain, you can't match the pain. It's better than, yeah. That was better than, yeah. I told you, girl, I would never ever sweat you, girl. I'm with your choice, cause that is love. But baby, girl, I'll always be right there, yeah, just sent from above. You know how I stay low key, VIP, all in her. Popping them bottles, bottle shot. Sand patterns on more wet showers. Gold bottles on ASO showers. You know how we gotta do it, baby. I ain't that type of nigga be sour. You tryna walk around and tryna make me jealous. But baby, I'm just zealous. You know just how I do this. Make your fucking choice, girl. I ain't never that type of nigga that gon' force your choice, girl. Force your hand with this fuck that. It's still better when you force your got nobody here with me, feel me? And I wanna hit a one, like an 8-1, hey, you feel me, bad eyes, I'm in the eyes, I try to take talk started, I gotta just move up in there, body fuck off, y'all respect the shit, now she over here talking about thinking about the kids, I said, baby, kinda skinny, I can ask you, man, you understand how I do it like that, I pay the taxes, you like, that ass cat, you tryna come back to